Hey guys, how is it going? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create your own IoT weather station using just two boards from our Zayo family. One of them is the Sci-Fi 32, which is a derivative of the ESP32 thing. It's a really cool board. And then we also using the air pressure module, which is one of our latest incorporation to the Zayo family. It features a BMP280 by Bosch. This little sensor is super accurate. It's a really good board to get the parameters such as temperature, altitude, and pressure. Then we're gonna use the quick connector, which just daisy chains the two boards, sorry. And the hardware setup is just super simple thanks to the quick connector. So we actually have the hardware setup already. Of course, we have to power the Sci-Fi here. So it's pretty simple. Here's the hardware setup. And then I'm gonna share my screen with you in a second so you can see how we actually connect the Sci-Fi 32 to the Wi-Fi. And it will be sending the data over ThinkSpeak, which is an open IoT platform that has also MATLAB incorporated for analytics. So it's pretty cool. Stay tuned, and I'm gonna show you in a sec how to do the rest. So in a nutshell, this is the data that we will be getting after doing the hardware setup and flashing the firmware into the Sci-Fi 32. So here you just create a IoT ThinkSpeak. You just create an account, and after this, you won't be seeing this right straight away. So you will need to create a channel. So when you go to my channels, this will be empty, and create a new channel. I've already created one for this project, which is this channel. But when creating a new channel, it will look exactly the same, just these fields will be empty. So you just fill up here the information, the name of the project, the description, and you will fill these different fields at the same order, so temperature, pressure, and altitude, and click the boxes here. And at the end, you can even link a site or GitHub. I even put the link here for the overview on the Sci-Fi 32, so you guys can have a look at it. And then you just save the channel. So after you save it, this will be empty because you didn't collect any data yet, but you will be able to see the charts. So you will be creating 3 different charts for getting the temperature, pressure, and altitude. And in a second, I'm going to show you how exactly to get this linked up so you can start collecting the data. So here you have, after downloading the code, you will have something like this. It will look like API key here. SSID, your Wi-Fi password, and SSID. This is your own, so you connect to your own network. And here the API key. So after creating a channel, we go all the way here to channel settings, API keys. And this is the right API key. So we just get this API key, copy and paste it over here. And right now it's linked up. So after your device, the Sci-Fi 32 is connected to the Wi-Fi, and you have the corresponding API right key after creating the channel for the ThinkSpeak, is when you're gonna start generating the data, and the different dots here. So this is around 2-hour period of gathering the data. So you'll be getting dot after dot. You can have it 24/7 as long as you want to be collecting the data. One thing I want to point out, settings is very important that you put it on exact same order. So here on the code, we are sending different strings, and the order is temperature, pressure, and altitude. So it's important that we fill it up, the data matching from both sides. But after you make these couple of changes, just the API key and the Wi-Fi settings, you're all good. You can flash the firmware into the Sci-Fi 32. Don't forget to select the board ESP32 dev module as this is a derivative of the ESP32 thing, is the same setup. We will have a link on the instructions on, if you don't have the setup done yet, on how to set it up so you can use it for this project. I hope you guys like the project, and stay tuned for the rest.